Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set screen lock on the Vivo Y200 4G. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on password and security. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on screen lock. Now from here, just select the screen lock method you like. You can select between the pattern, the pin, or the password. I will select the pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. Now from here, once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on next. Now from here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on done. Now from here, if you lock your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully enabled the screen lock on our smartphone. And this is how you can set screen lock on the Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.